Viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Linear Ocean Learning channel on transformation of sentences according to structure, part 2, from simple to complex and from simple to compound. Today my video is on rule 6 and it is about simple sentence with because of plus possessive plus gerund or noun. If we, example 1, because of his wisdom, wisdom is a noun, it's an abstract noun. Because of his wisdom, we made him our leader. If we want to transform this simple sentence into complex, we have to follow a structure. And the structure I have projected here contains some abbreviations and I should clarify them to you. N means noun, IPO in place of SFOP, subjective form of possessive, ADJFON, adjective form of noun, PCL, principal clause, EX extension, V verb, ILO in lieu of, that is instead of, SP means subjective pronoun. Now let's come to the structure of complex sentence. Since or as, IPO because of. Because of plus subjective form of possessive. Here after because of, there is the possessive his and its subjective form will be he. Then BV, B verb plus adjective form of noun. Here noun is wisdom and its adjective form is wise, plus up to comma plus PCL. Here we made him our leader is the principal clause or extension. Now if we follow the structure, the answer we get is since or as anyone, he was B verb, then adjective form of noun wisdom is wise, comma, principal clause, we made him our leader. Because of his wisdom, we made him our leader, and its complex one is since he was wise, we made him our leader. Or there is another structure we can put into complex in another form. Since or as, IPO because of, plus subjective form of possessive, plus verb to have. That means in place of be verb, we can put verb to have plus noun. Here noun is wisdom, then that will remain there up to comma plus PCL or extension. If we follow the structure, the answer we get is since he had wisdom, comma, we made him our leader. Because of his wisdom, comma, we made him our leader. This is simple sentence and its complex one is since he had wisdom, we made him our leader. Now compound. If we want to transform the simple sentence because of his wisdom, we made him our leader, the structure we have to follow here is because of omitted. Here because of will be omitted, plus subjective form of possessive. Here possessive form is his and its subjective form is he. Then here he will be there. Then BV, M is are, was, were, these are B verbs. And subject is C. So long the subject is C, that will be was because the principal clause is in past indefinite tense. Plus adjective form of noun. Here wisdom is abstract noun and its adjective form is wise. Up to comma plus and so IPO comma plus PCL or extension PCL. Here we made him our leader. So the compound sentence here will be he was wise and so we made him our leader. Or we can put it into another structure because of omitted, subjective form of the possessive plus verb to have plus noun. Wisdom is the noun and it will remain there up to comma and so I put comma PCL, we made him our leader. The answer we get is he had wisdom and so we made him our leader. Example 2. Tanha did not go to school yesterday because of her sister's marriage ceremony. If we follow these structures, then the complex and compound will be Tanha did not go to school yesterday as or since she had her sister's marriage ceremony. Compound one will be Tanha had her sister's marriage ceremony and so she did not go to school yesterday. Now let's get to the rule 7. Simple sentence with for plus possessive plus gerund or abstract noun. Example 1. He could not go to school yesterday for his illness. For, then his possessive form, then illness is the abstract noun. The complex structure of complex sentence I have projected also contains some abbreviations and I have already elaborated them. Subject up to for. Here subject is he and up to for will be could not go to school yesterday plus subjective form of possessive. Here his is the subject possessive form and its subjective form will be he. BV, that means be verb am is or was were, and so long the sentence is in past indefinite tense it will be was because subject is he. Then adjective form of noun. Here illness is the abstract noun and its adjective form is ill. So the answer we get is he could not go to school yesterday because he was ill. Now compound. Subjective form of possessive. Here possessive is his and its subjective form is he. Then BV or AV. B verb. AV means action verb. Then plus adjective or adverb plus and so ILO for. In place of, that is in lieu of for, we have to write and so plus subjective pronoun plus up to for. Here after subject up to for will be could not go to school yesterday. So answer we get is he, coming from the possessive his, was be verb, ill, the adjective form of illness is ill, and so in lieu of for I have written and so, then he could not go to school yesterday. Viewers, now example 2. Example 2. Alif will succeed. Will succeed for his working hard. Working hard. Hard is the adverb. Here for and his is the possessive. Then its complex will be Alif will succeed because he works hard. This is the action verb. And compound one will be Alif works hard. Here in place of his, that will be subjective form, but so long there is subject is a noun, and it will be noun form. Alif works hard. And so he will succeed. Viewers, this much today. See you in my next video. Before that, follow my video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.